If your headlights are yellow, foggy, or hazy, then you're definitely in need of a headlight restoration, and that's exactly what we can help you with. I'm Oscar with R3 Detailing, and we offer our premium headlight restoration process that permanently restores your headlights. Now, depending on the condition, it might not be 100% perfect, just because over time it cracks, it gets chipped, so it might not be 100% perfect, but it will be a night and day difference from the oxidized headlights that you have right now. Our headlight restoration process goes through sanding, compounding, polishing, and protecting. So a deeper look is we're gonna start depending on the condition of your headlight. We might start with 800 or 1000 grit sandpaper and then move up to 1500, 2000 to 3000 sanding paper. After that, we're gonna go to machine polishing. First, we're gonna start with the compounding phase, and that's gonna remove all the sanding marks from the headlight. The second part is polishing, and that's gonna refine the previous step and bring out that gloss and clarity. We're gonna panel wipe the headlights down to remove any polish residue that's left over from the compounding and polishing. And then lastly, the protection phase, we're gonna apply a ceramic coating to the headlights. It's a very extensive service, and it will dramatically make the one, headlights look better because we all want better looking headlights, and then two, it will give you much better visibility at night. Now, the headlight restoration is a great choice, especially if you want to just make your car look newer. One of the things that really brings down the appearance of a vehicle is the headlights being foggy and hazy. I mean, a lot of times we'll simply just wash the vehicle, do a headlight restoration, and the vehicle as a whole is looking much better, because it's one of those things where it just kind of brings down the appearance of the vehicle by having those hazy, foggy headlights. Now, based on your preference, we can go out to you and get it done at your job, office, home, or apartment location. We do have a mobile van. It's fully equipped, so we have the water tank, pressure washer, generator, and everything that we need to get the job done. Or if you'd like, you can come and drop it off at our shop location. It's just whatever is a better preference for you and your schedule. So if you're interested in getting this done to your vehicle, if you just want more information, if you have any questions about your specific headlights, please contact us down below. We'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you very much.